Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Vanguard with bank verification step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Vanguard account on their official website. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Select Balances to view your current account balance. Look for the option labeled Withdraw Funds and click on it. You will be prompted to choose the type of account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Select the specific account from which you want to withdraw. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose your preferred method for receiving the funds. If you select a bank transfer, you'll need to verify your bank account. Follow the instructions to verify your bank account if it's not already linked. You may be required to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Check for any verification steps that may include confirming small trial deposits made by Vanguard. Once your bank account is verified, return to the withdrawal process. Review all details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal request. Check your email for updates on the status of your withdrawal. Monitor your bank account for the transfer of funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.